Hey there foodies, welcome back to my channel. I am SreyDa Leajin. Sorry I've been missing in action for half a year, but I am rejuvenated now and ready to start posting at least weekly again. Well, at least that's the plan anyway. And I did miss you guys. I'm about to dive into a culinary delight that's going to redefine your seafood experience. My signature coconut butter seafood boil. This recipe is a symphony of flavors that'll leave your taste buds dancing in delight. So let's get started. Let's start off with a burst of heat on medium high to high heat depending on your stove. 3 tablespoons of cooking oil or enough oil to cover your large pan. Then toss in a half clove of minced garlic and a handful of dried red peppers, setting the stage for a flavorful adventure. And if you're feeling adventurous or exotic, let's take it up a notch with a 1/4 cup of Cambodian lemongrass paste. Remember, you can find out how to make your own lemongrass paste on my channel. I will link it down below as well. And don't worry, if you're in a hurry, you can skip this lemongrass step and go straight to a can of minced prawn or crab and spices. Now it's time for the lobster tails. These succulent treats join the party, adding a touch of luxury to our dish. To bring out the best in our seafood, we steam boil them with 1 to 2 cups of water depending on the volume of the seafood. The pot is covered and the magic happens as the shells transform into a vibrant shade of red on both sides. Time for the shrimp now to make its grand entrance, but don't worry, they're already deveined thanks to a handy tip you can find on my deveining tutorial on my channel. And now the masterpiece, a standard size can of unsweetened Southeast Asian coconut milk. Make sure you use the one for cooking dessert and not from the fridge aisle. There is a difference, trust me. Let's bring in the richness with a stick of unsalted butter. A quick stir ensure that these spices coat every inch of deliciousness. And wait, there's more lobster goodness in the form of cooked lobster claws. Yes, these tender meat add layers of flavor and texture. And followed by 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce for that umami kick. Flavor brigade continues with a generous amount of crushed black pepper, followed by a tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder for that savory punch. And who could forget the Dungeness crabs? Broken into halves and ready to impart in their essence to the dish. And we give it a good toss, ensuring every ingredient is in perfect harmony. Cover the dish for a couple of minutes, allowing the flavors to mingle and create a symphony of deliciousness. And finally, we top it off with a sprinkle of vibrant spring onions and a fresh zest of cilantro. And there you have it, folks. Delicious SreyDa Leajin coconut butter seafood boil that is a true masterpiece of flavor. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tantalizing recipes and food adventures right here on my channel, SreyDa Leajin. Until next time, happy cooking!